Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys how I do my eyeliner. It's more of like a cat eye, and I wanted to just add a little bit of glitter in there because why not, really? And the reason I'm doing this is because there have been lots of requests for this look, so I hope you guys enjoy. So I typically, for my cat eye, I typically use a felt tip pen type of looking eyeliner. This one is the Eyeko London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. Don't judge my nails, I have not had time to do them, so yeah. So what I do is I typically start on the outside of my eye and I make the wing shape. Now I tend to do this on both eyes just so that I can make sure they look similar, at least. Not twins, but just like sisters. Once I'm done with the tips or the wings, I typically try to just fill in the shape of where the line will be at the top lash area. So I just start where my eyelashes typically get darker. So right about here. And I kind of just dab it on there. Like dot it a little bit because I don't want to drag it too much. Okay, and here is my cat eye little eyeliner with my felt tip black eyeliner from Eyeko London. So to kind of just jazz it up a little bit, what I like to do is add a little bit of glitter, especially because it just gives a little cute pop. So I've been using this Tarte Eye Jewels glitter liner, and I also use another one. It's called the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy glitter, which is super popular as well. But I just like it because it has a very thin brush. I'll show you guys. And I can really just get a very fine line with that. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Sometimes I like to put it over like my liner, and sometimes I like to put it on my waterline. Okay, so just like that, I added a little pop of color on my eyes, just having it like from the inner corner just to like the middle part of the eyeliner. So I think it looks really cute. Sometimes I like to even add some more glitter because seriously guys, why not? So I'm gonna put it on the bottom waterline and you'll see how super cute it is. So here is my little black eyeliner cat eye with some glitter. This is the gold glitter. I do have other color glitter, but I just felt like this gold glitter would go better with what I was wearing, and it's more summery and it'll glisten beautifully in the sun. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and comment down below, what is your like favorite eyeliner type? Is it like a cat eye? Is it, you know, like a humongous wing? Is it thick? Is it thin? Just tell me what your preference is, and maybe, you know, what you do to give it a little pop. Like I put glitter on my eyes just to give it a little pop. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.